Right now is 28 degrees Celsius, but feels like 33 degrees. So it's more heat coming from. Yeah, like I said, weather here in the Philippines, if especially December, is very hot. Ay, Auntie Debbie, morning te. Good evening, sorry. So yeah, we have a little bit heat wave will be coming this around 11 or 12 uh, noon or afternoon. I hope you have a good day. Yeah, always ante, Debbie, always ante. So yeah, I'm just trying for getting more views, and yeah, I hope if they have opportunity here on YouTube to get more views and more interesting viewers. Yeah, it's a lot of pleasure. It's more pleasure to get more views. So yeah, that's it. Ah, yan. Patience. Yes. Patient is the best. So I have a lot of patience because I don't want to be rushed. If you'll be rushed, there are no reward. So I like to be patient. Just want to be patient with myself. So that's why I like patient. I am the very patient guy. Patient, patient. I don't know what is the update about H-Vapor right now. This coming April is if are they're going outside activity, or I don't know, maybe going to relatives this week, Holy Week. But yeah, I'm just uh, waiting her response if will be invite me. Maybe I don't know if he'll be invite me next month or maybe next week. I will not to say going to her, but I'm just waiting for her if me will be invite. Yeah, because I have a best respect. I want to be respect with other people. I don't want to be like very demanding. I want to go there. I want to go there. No, I will not to say that. That's so very embarrassed, especially me. That's why I'm just wait, impatient, and wait for the response for the owner or madam. So, yeah.